Good morning! What's for breakfast today?
We're making
French toast. Alexa, what is French toast?
the phrase French toast means bread sliced, dipped in egg and milk and fried, topped with sugar or fruit or syrup. Yep.
Milk, fries, syrup. Some of the syrup.
No, I put like 2 eggs,
And you bake
milk, vanilla extract, and ground cinnamon. And then dunk it.
Dunk it to where?
And then i-dunk na ako siya diha.
Where? Anyway, guys, it's Sunday here, and it is. I don't have any tripod, so I just put. Oh my God, sorry. Never mind. So I'm still on my onesie because it's cold in here.
The heater is on.
Oh yeah?
No, I didn't.
Okay, so it is a cloudy day here at Washington, and we might go somewhere out there. We might. I mean, today my plan is going to Gasworth Park in North Downtown Seattle, and I hope and I pray that the weather is like norm, not like. It's okay if it's what do you call it, cloudy, because Audie don't like want to get burnt in under the heat of the sun. But yeah, so I hope and I pray that my plan will work and film out there. Maybe take a look and share what's in there, right? And it's not really famous from the tourists, I think, but for most of the Seattleites, let's say, it is famous. And I think it is according to my deep research about it, there's a lot of homeless. I don't know. So we'll check that out and we'll go from there.
We are here at Fremont Sunday Market. Oh, nice car, by the way. Nice, right? Basta food, mawala na din tourist eh. Ako basta food, mawala na din ka. Fried rice. Kimchi fried rice. About the money. Ano po kayo dito, no? So, karon musulod mi karon sa Okay-Okayan. Right. Okay-Okayan. Yeah.
I don't like this.
Baho guys sa sulod ate. Smells like.
It's all about the moment. It's all about the light. It's all about the music.
So we're just done in Fremont Sunday Market.
Di na ako kaya dito sa sulod ka ng indoor nga ano. Baho gidya ay. Mas may bag ilok.
English, in English.
It smells like armpit.
What? It smells like armpit.
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 BO, you know?
Naram din Tio chocolate nga
I
factory
know.
oh. I think they have, but I don't think so if we could bring Tio chocolate factory. So they have this like tour, and you go inside.
And they show you how they make. They will show
You how to make
chocolate.
chocolate. I don't know where's the entrance though. Should we go? No? But yeah,
No, you have to book.
earlier than that. So we're heading
Back to the car.
back to the car and we're going to Fremont Stroll. Alright. Busy kasi Madam sige og kaon, you know, ganina ra na siya kaon jeg pizza, kaon jeg chips, corn eater, and
I like corn. Aside from rice, I can eat corn with something else, you know?
nadami karon sa bike lane. Pero wala bike.
Oh, you know what? Even though the sun is out, it's still cold.
Oh, wow, try look. Wait. I'll
Oh, wow.
I'll show this thing. Massive boat. Oh,
Not
it's an
really. It's
not massive,
small.
but Argo Secrets soon will be riding that, but not today. That's a lake. I would say bye-bye to them and then bye-bye to me. So we're here at Fremont Ave, where you could see the Fremont Troll underneath in the Fremont Bridge. And it's a Fremont neighborhood.
Talaga?
Yes. So so you can see. No, you can't see because I didn't point the camera to the troll yet. But as you can see, I'm beneath in these bridges. Underneath in these bridges is
Bridge.
that bridge is the troll. The troll. This is the original troll. What do you mean by troll? Alexa?
Oh my god.
Alexa?
Look at that.
So look at that, man. So you can see. So there you go. That's the Fremont. We go. What? Okay, one. Dito sa taas lang. That's the view at the back of the Fremont Hall.
Alright, so Ian came in to visit
His friends.
his friends and family. Yeah,
Don't be a troll, man.
don't be a troll. Okay.
So that's the troll right there. The troll.
So we are at Gasworks Park. Gasworks Park. Yes. My first time. Our first time, I think. Is this your first time? Yeah,
It
our
is.
first time. So come along with us and check this place out. Alright? But look at the leaves though. Look at the leaves. The leaves.
Taking all the sunshine, bottle up the rain. Go where the wind blows, let it show the way. Open all the windows, let in all the light.
So, nanami sa park. The sun is out, pero tugnog yung kaayo. Busy kaayo si Ian sige hyperlapse. I don't know what that means, but whatever. Naulahi ko, so ako na isa baklay-baklay. Tsada ba siya? Something new. Tara siya. Okay, so nana ko diri sa taas. Og I wanna share kung unsa akong nakita, okay? Nara. Tsada kay siya, no? Nindot kaayo. Bugno kay diri sa taas, although grabe ka sani. Ang buta sa si Ayan, nanakon mo siya nakita. But diri ako magtambay. Tsada kaayo, as in. OA kay nga as in, pero tsada.
Sunshine, bottle up the rain. Go where the wind blows, let it show the way. Life's what you make it. Oh, life's what you make it. Oh, it's yours for the taking. Gonna write your own song, all the world will sing along. We'll find your melody, we'll join in harmony. Oh, life's what you make it. Life's what you make it. Come alive in the streetlight, pulling at the stars in the moonlight. Every time
Hello guys! So we just got done at the Gasworks Park. And can I just speak in Bisaya?
Up to you.
Because, you know, it's nose bleeding, you know?